Hi guys, this is my Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella, so we can check how smart she is. What do you like most about having a brother?
Andyan ba yan?
Opo.
Pakita. Sabi sibling.
Siblings, a brother. Kasi, inano ko na kasi.
Annoying.
What do you like eh?
What do you like about my brother?
Babies talaga are annoying. Kasi, you know why?
They're crying. They're doing like this.
Yeah, they're
They're
still...
slapping me.
Yeah.
They're hitting me.
You know what's the reason?
It's their babies.
Yes, they're babies. They don't understand well. So, sometimes...
Their brain is like this.
Hindi naman
Their
lagi...
brain is like this. Mercy chop.
It's not naman always annoying. Minsan naman, most of the time naman nakakatuwa. So, what do you like most of having
Because
a
he's
brother?
cute. He's cute.
Aside from being cute,
I like to play with him.
you want to play with him?
I like to carry.
Yeah, yun ang nga ginagawa mo. You always want to carry him, pero naiinis naman siya sa'yo. Kasi, you cannot handle him properly pa. Kasi di ba na, totoo yun eh. Pagka kinakalo niya yung baby brother niya, ganun yun ang nangyayari. Naiinis sa kanya. Okay, aside from...
I don't know na. I don't know.
Aside from...
I don't want that
Teka,
question.
wait. Aside from you always want to carry him, what else? And play with him, what else? I don't know. She's thinking. Yeah, well, actually, it's ano naman, tama naman yung sagot mo.
Okay, next question.
You don't think of any...
Okay, ito.
You want to carry him?
And he likes to laboy like his ate.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, you both want to laboy. They both always want to go malling. Yes, ganun po si Erwin. 6 months old baby. Alam na niya.
7 months.
6 months pa lang. Alam na niya kung paano lumabas. Nagde-demand na siyang lumabas.
Parang ako, pag gising ko lang sa ko, mas ka na. Eh, si Aaron parang,
Pag di mo siya nilabas sa hapon, nagmumoryo.
sabi na Aaron, ganito. Gising. Parang gata. Gato yung biyak si Aaron. Napasok ni Mami, gato na siya.
Okay. Thank you for answering my question. Yeah, yun ang gusto niya. Kulitin niya na kulitin si Aaron. Yeah. Till our next video. Bye. Kayo po ba mga ate, mga kuya? You must love your babies, ha? You must love your younger siblings. Thank you for watching. Bye.